Hi there, my name is Richard McMunn, and in this video I am going to teach you how to write a resume if you have no experience. So please make sure you watch this video from start to finish, because I promise by the time we get to the end of the video you will have the perfect resume. So lots of you have been contacting me on YouTube and saying, Richard, I want to apply for a job, I want to complete a resume, but I have no experience. What do I do? Well, to help you complete the perfect resume, this is what I will cover. I will give you 3 crucial tips for writing a resume if you have no experience. I will tell you what to include in your resume to make sure it's successful. I will also give you a sample resume template, and I will also tell you how you can download the exact resume template I'm using in this video for free. So make sure you stay tuned. Let's get straight to it. So the 3 important resume writing tips that I want to give you are: resume writing tip number 1, make sure you load your resume with powerful keywords and phrases. Don't forget, you have no experience, so we need to make sure that we load the resume with lots of positive keywords and phrases that show you are a highly employable candidate. Now, the words you should include within your resume are as follows. Here they are: professional, loyal, hardworking and honest, enthusiastic, committed, customer focused, innovative, trustworthy and flexible. So when I create the resume for you in a second, I am going to include all of those keywords and phrases. Here is the second resume writing tip. Make sure your resume matches the job that you are applying for. Now, a surefire way to get invited to an interview is to make sure that your resume is a match for the job that you are applying for. And resume writing tip number 3, this is a really good one. You will like this. Keep your resume to just 2 sides of A4. Do not make your resume any longer than 2 pages. Remember, the hiring manager has to sift through lots and lots of resumes. They don't have lots of time, so we can make it easy for them, and we just need to make sure that yours stands out from the competition. And don't worry if you have no experience, I will explain exactly how to do that. So here's how to structure your resume. We need to include 5 different sections within it. Section 1 is simply your personal and contact details. Section 2 is a personal statement. This is a powerful personal statement. This is critical to your success. I will tell you exactly what to write in a second. Section 3, include your education and qualifications. Section 4, include a list of skills and abilities, and again, I will tell you exactly what to write. And Section 5, include references to people who are willing to recommend you for the position. So let me just cover those in more detail. So Section 1 is your personal and contact details. Now this should include your name, your address and your contact details, which will be an email address and a telephone number. Now, if you are giving a mobile telephone number, make sure your answer phone message is professional. That's very important. Section 2, the personal statement. Now, a personal statement will grab the attention of the hiring manager. It needs to be perfect. So it is one of the first things they will read when they read your resume. So you need to make sure it is positive, it is punchy, and it is attractive. Now, the personal statement is critical for you getting hired. So here's an example personal statement. Here we go. Make sure you pay attention and read this. This is what we are going to include in your resume. I am a highly motivated, professional, conscientious and committed team worker who understands the importance of carrying out my duties to a very high standard. I am dedicated to continuous development, and regardless of the situation I am in, I will always seek to learn and improve by taking advice from others. I can be trusted to provide exceptional customer service, both face-to-face and via the telephone, and I will represent your company in a positive manner at all times. I will be a loyal and honest member of your company, and I will always support my work colleagues when needed. Now, being an excellent team worker, I'm able to use an innovative approach to solving problems when required, and I will always take great pride in fulfilling my responsibilities to a very high standard. Finally, being somebody who is flexible and trustworthy, I can be relied upon to deliver everything that I set out to achieve with positivity and enthusiasm, whilst ensuring all tasks are completed to a very high professional standard and within given time frames. That is a really strong, powerful personal statement that grabs the attention of the hiring manager. And if you note, you don't need any experience to write that powerful statement. Don't forget, I'm going to tell you soon where you can download that template. And by the way, I hope you're finding this useful. Please don't forget to give the video a like. Please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I would very much appreciate your support. Let's move on. Section 3, education and qualifications. So just include in chronological order the schools, the colleges and or universities you attended, the subjects that you studied and the grades you achieved. Don't worry if you did not get brilliant grades. Do not worry. Just make sure you are honest. Put down exactly the schools and colleges and universities you attended, the subjects you studied and the grades you achieved. And section 4, this is another good one. This will help you to stand out. Your skills and abilities. So your skills and abilities should be a match for the job you are applying for. And my advice is to include 8 key skills and abilities. So here's an example of 8 key skills and abilities that are attractive to all hiring managers. Here we go. Number 1, customer focused and able to represent your brand in a positive manner. Number 2, self-motivated and a fast learner. That's very attractive to all hiring managers. Number 3, an excellent team worker who is supportive of others. Number 4, strong communication and interpersonal skills. Number 5, a good listener and someone who wants to continually learn and improve. Number 6, supportive of my managers and supervisors. Number 7, a good organizer and planner. And finally, number 8, flexible, adaptable and willing to work additional hours when needed. Those 8 key skills and abilities are attractive to all employers and hiring managers. So let's now take a look at the resume template. So I've created it for you already. Here it is. Now I'm going to tell you how to download this, but it's important you wait because I need to explain what to do with this template once you have it in your hands. So this is the name at the top, the personal details. Obviously don't put my name, put your name there, your mobile number, your email address and your address there, right at the top. So the yellow bits you can change. And then there's the personal statement. So let me just quickly read that out again. You can see it's very powerful. It's the first thing they will read. Now I have to state, only use this if this statement is applicable to you. Okay, that's really important. So let me just read this out again. I am a highly motivated, professional, conscientious and committed team worker who understands the importance of carrying out my duties to a very high standard. I am dedicated to continuous development and regardless of the situation I am in, I will always seek to learn and improve by taking advice from others. I can be trusted to provide exceptional customer service, both face-to-face and via the telephone, and I will represent your company in a positive manner at all times. I will be a loyal and honest member of your company, and I will always support my work colleagues when needed. Being an excellent team worker, I'm able to use an innovative approach to solving problems when required, and I will always take great pride in fulfilling my responsibilities to a very high standard. Finally, being somebody who is flexible, conscientious and trustworthy, I can be relied upon to deliver everything that I set out to achieve with positivity and enthusiasm, whilst ensuring all tasks are completed to a very high professional standard and within given timeframes. So that's the powerful statement. They read that, they will be attracted to inviting you along to an interview. Here's that list of skills and abilities. So skills and abilities: customer focused and able to represent your brand in a positive manner, self-motivated and a fast learner, an excellent team worker who is supportive of others, strong communication and interpersonal skills, a good listener and someone who wants to continually learn and improve. I'm supportive of my managers and supervisors, a good organizer and planner, flexible, adaptable and willing to work additional hours when needed. This looks brilliant already. I'm sure you will agree. And then your educational history. the dates that you attended the school, the name of the school, college or university, subjects that you studied, qualifications you achieved. So you could just copy and paste these sections if you attended more than 2. And then finally, at the end, the references. Make sure you give the name of the reference, contact them before putting their names down. But it is really important to do that. Most people will put references available upon request. You need to put down 2 references. And the reason is, if you put their names down and their contact details, that gives the hiring manager reassurance that somebody genuinely does recommend you for the job. Do not put down references available upon request. In my experience, that is weak. It means that you can't be bothered to contact those people to get their permission. Make sure you put down their contact details, because I might think, oh, actually, I really like this person. I'll just quickly give the reference a call before I invite them to the interview. Don't forget, you have no experience. Therefore, we need to do everything we can to get you invited along to the interview. And that is all you need. Ladies and gentlemen, that is all you need. 2 sides of A4. Powerful, strong. It looks good. It's concise. And it looks professional, and you don't need any experience to write that level of resume. So do you want the template? Do you want it? Say yes. Okay, please do. All I require you to do, it's free of charge, a template, but please do like this video. A lot of time and effort goes into creating these, and I would appreciate your support. Please subscribe to the channel. Okay, please subscribe. Loads of you are passing your job interviews as a result of all the videos I'm uploading. So please subscribe. Have you subscribed? Thank you very much. Okay, the link to download this exact template is in the description below the video. Check out the description. You can download it. Don't forget, please only use this resume if all of those skills and qualities and the personal statement is applicable to you. Okay, that's really, really important. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I wish you all the best for passing your job application. I hope you get invited to an interview, and don't forget to check out my other interview videos on this channel. They will help you to pass your interview. Have a brilliant day. Thank you.